What up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting this channel, I upload videos about making money for free online. So if somehow you are kind of interested on that topic, can you please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first one to know whenever I upload a video about making money online for free. So without any waste of time, in today's video I'll be revealing another money making website. So this website goes by the name of Swagbucks. As you can see here on their landing page, it says save money, make money. So members like you and me have already cashed out over 500 million in cashback from using Swagbucks. So guys, the sign up process is simple and straightforward. You just have to click this box over here to agree to the terms of use, and then you can continue with your Gmail account, or you can continue with PayPal, or you can continue with your email. So when you scroll down here on their landing page, how it works. So after signing up guys, you need to tell them about yourself, okay, to get personalized offers and redeem gift cards. So guys, here's how you will introduce yourself. They will give you a short demographic survey that asks you about yourself guys, so that they can give you surveys that are related to your demographic profile. The demographic profile survey helps them to recommend right surveys for you. And here on Swagbucks, unlike the other website, they will give you one SP per answer that you give them. So guys, SPs are a point system that they use here on Swagbucks. So guys, you can get paid to answer surveys anytime, anywhere. Share your opinion by completing online surveys to earn extra cash on the site, from a single question poll to 30 minutes market research questionnaire. There is always time to earn Swagbucks. So guys, you will earn maybe to complete surveys that takes about 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Then they will give you points, and those points you can exchange them for gift cards or foreign money in PayPal. Here on this website you can also get cashbacks by making use of shopping online or in store. Swagbucks is one of the most highly expensive reward program on the internet right now. So find coupons, promos and deals and cashback offers to your favorite store. Combine with your preferred credit card to earn additional cashback. So guys, here on this site you can also earn cashbacks. So if you make an online shopping or in-store shopping, you'll also get cashbacks. So guys, you can also earn by entertainment that pays, from web browser games to their popular Swagbucks daily trivia. You can get paid to play games and create and discover the latest short videos on the Swagbucks. They also have short videos guys that you can watch, and at the end of that video you'll get rewards. So those rewards you can exchange them for real money. So guys, as you can see here at the bottom, this website has testimonials from people who have used this site before, and it has a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars in Trustpilot. So what is Trustpilot? Trustpilot is the website where we check whether a website is a scam or is it legit, and Swagbucks is one of the highly rated website there on Trustpilot. So guys, of which that means Swagbucks is one of the paying get paid to websites. You don't need to worry. That the only thing that you need to worry about is how you're gonna get that money, how you're gonna make that money. But we'll jump into that shortly. Swagbucks is available for both iOS and Android devices guys, on App Store and Google Play. So guys, let's jump into the sign up process. You can click the link in the description box down below, and it will direct you straight to this landing page. The sign up process is simple and straightforward. So let's sign up. Click the sign up button. Here it will take you to this page right over here. You can continue using your Gmail, or you can continue with Apple if you are using an iOS device, or you can just use your email. So if you choose to use an email, you must click this box first. If you choose to use an email, you can just enter your email address over here, password, and confirm your password, and then click create account. So after creating an account, they will send you an email whereby you'll be required to verify your account. After verifying your account, then you can log in. Here's how their dashboard looks like. You'll be required to complete a demographic profile survey in order for you to get access to the survey. So if you don't complete the demographic profile survey, they won't know how to do what survey they should recommend to you, because that's how they are able to suggest or recommend survey that's right for you. So you must complete this demographic profile survey. Different from other get paid to website, this one is making it fun. So every time you complete or answer one question about yourself, you'll get one SPs. As I explained or mentioned before, that SPs are the point system that they are using here on Swagbucks. So the more SPs you earn, the more, that means more money you can earn here on this website. Then you can convert those SPs into gift cards or in form of real money via PayPal or via any other payment method of your choice. So guys, there are plenty of offers that you can complete here on this platform. Like for instance, as you can see here, there are offers that you can complete for 100, for 10,000 SPs, and for 20,000 SPs, and for 1,620 SPs, or for 3,600 SPs. So guys, let me just explain real quickly how the SPs works. So 100 SPs is equals to $1. 20,000 XPs is like about $200. So as you can see here, there are offers that pay more than $200. So guys, you can make a lot of money here on this platform. So guys, we all know that there are instructions that you need to follow in order to earn points doing offers, but I will talk about this later during the course of this video. So guys, the first way you can earn money here on this platform is by completing surveys. When you click answer, it will direct you to the survey panels, guys. These are all the surveys that you can complete to earn SPs, guys. So here you'll be introduced to different paying surveys. Some are paying high, some are paying low. As I always say, this will depend on the country that you are located in, guys. So here you'll see all surveys from third party panels and surveys that are from Swagbucks straight. You can choose any survey that you want to complete, and then after completing a survey, you will earn your SPs, and they will be deposited straight to your account if you completed a survey successfully. As we all know, surveys have their own disadvantages. You can be disqualified, you can cut out of a survey. So guys, you can move on and take another one if something like that happens. So guys, let's check out another earning way. You can check another earning way by clicking play here. Here you will be introduced to different offers and the highest paying offers. You can choose to download an app, or you can choose to play a game. After downloading a game, let's say for instance you downloaded a game, the instructions that you need to follow, and they will tell you when that offer expires. Some of the offers takes more than 30 days, some take 15 days. It will depend on an offer. If you manage to complete an offer, you will get maybe those SPs that were returned there on that offer. So guys, you can make a lot of money just by completing offers. So guys, in my opinion, I see offers as the highly paying way here on Swagbucks. If you manage to complete offers, I swear you can make a lot of money. As we saw previously, some of the offers can earn you 20,000 SPs, and 20,000 SPs are equivalent to $200. So I recommend offers to do offers more than surveys, because surveys, they have a lot of stories, guys. Like they can take a lot of time. Sometimes they can be boring, or sometimes you can be disqualified. So that's the reason I recommend you take offers here on this platform to earn a lot of money. So guys, when you click shop right over here, that's where you can earn cashbacks, guys. So here's how this thing works. Here on these sessions, they will list all the shops that are in the country that you are located in. Whenever you shop on these shops, you will get cashbacks. So like for instance, in the country that I'm located in, they only placed Uber Eats. If I purchase something from Uber Eats, I'll get $2 as cashback. So that's how it works. So guys, another way you can maximize or multiply your earnings is by referring other people to these platforms. You will earn points whenever people join under your special link that will be given by Swagbucks. So guys, the moment that you've been waiting for, how can you withdraw your earnings? So guys, if you have collected enough points, you can come to the redeem rewards section over here. So guys, if you have $10 in your account, you can withdraw via PayPal or Amazon gift card or any other payment option of your choice. You can choose from this list of payment options right over here which one you wanna withdraw. Immediately when you have accumulated enough points, you can choose one of your favorites over here. So guys, let me know what you think about this website in the comment section down below, or if you have any question or any experience using this app. I would love to hear from you. Please feel free to share with us. So guys, if you want to join Swagbucks, the link is in the description down below. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload another video about making money online. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.